Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can trim your videos. So I have this video right here and it's not that long, but I want to trim it. So there are a few ways you can do that. You can drag this to the left or either like to the right to trim the right or left side. You can either also select this split button and select whichever one you want to delete, like this clip for instance, and just press delete on your keyboard. Or you can select this like delete right, so it's going to delete the right part of your clip, and this one will trim the left side of your clip. You can also go to this section. I'm having a hard time talking, I'm so sorry. And you can select split, and you can like split it into parts and select certain parts of the clip you want to trim out. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.